on there, son. Good one, too. Well, I didn't expect that with that old rope bait. Good thing I put that hook on there. Look there, boys. Woo-wee. Oh, good one. I reckon he probably weighs a couple pounds. Caught it on the old rope bait, son, trying to catch a gar. Look at that bait, boy. That's what you go bass fishing with. Now that's why you put your hook in your rope bait. So good one, son. Woo, look at that rascal. Didn't expect that, did you? I sure didn't. Might have to put that old Zoom fluke on there, but I don't know. He hit that old piece of rope, ain't they? Might have to get some water. It's hard to get down in here. Might have to be muddy water. Oh, McKinley Morgan feeder. Woo! Can't even walk, son. I know they was holed up back here. Get my old bait fixed. Oh, he's cutting up, ain't he? Ain't too fond of all this mess. Let's see what we can get us another. Old rope bait coming on with it, son. Like it done hung up. Oh, might have been one that picked it up again, son. Might all spray some of that green stuff on here. Get over here where y'all can see what I'm doing. I love this stuff. Got it up there at Wally World. Supposed to have some kind of enzymes and stuff in it. A lot of people don't think about fish can smell, you know. I mean, that's one of their primary things for survival is the sense of smell. And you know, you go fishing, a lot of times people spray that old mosquito spray all over them. I mean, they will bite with it on. But how many more fish would you have caught if you hadn't had it on? That's the question. I don't know, I used to do the same thing. Didn't think nothing about it. I got to thinking one day. What happens? Ugh, don't want to get doing that too much. How much more would you catch about all that crap? I don't know. Nobody ever knows. I try to wash my hands, don't use no scented soap, none of that crap. There's no weird smells on my fishing. I sure ain't no expert. I just try to do everything. I'm a bad enough angler as it is. I need to do everything I can to get the odds in my favor for all I can do. That old sun's coming up now. About waited too late. I was fishing up in the front pond, not getting nothing. Caught one little old flathead. I didn't tape it. It was on the line. I didn't even know it was on the line. I went to reel my pole up, come back here. Had that little old flathead on it. But I caught a turtle up there. I hated it. I couldn't get the hook out of his mouth, had to throw it back. Maybe that hook will rust out. I tried to get it out, but he swallowed it. And I wasn't catching nothing up there. Nikki's up there fishing now. She didn't want to walk back here. It's a little bit of a walk and it's muddy down here. She's still trying. She might catch another couple catfish or something. I've got a little old nibble. Boy. But that's old gar. Old rope bait coming through, son. Woo-wee. About to get away. Oh, he got off, son. Shit. about muddy now. Pardon my French, folks. Woo, I didn't mean to do that. Come off on me. I had to dive my billfold out before it gets soaked. Lord have mercy. Come off right at the bank. I tried to grab him, I dove, son. I scared him now, oh Lord. Boy, look at me. Boy, I'm covered. I went for him, I almost had him. Old rope bait had a hold of him, but it turned loose right at the end. Now I got my pole muddy. Clean old reel out. It's muddy down here, boys. That's why the wife didn't want to come down. She already knows. She had on tennis shoes. You need rubber boots in this mess. I ain't got nothing in my pockets, so be alright. Have to call me Swamp Thing before it's over with. That old rope bait had him though. Just didn't have him good enough. Got him right up to the bank though. He looked about 2 or 3 pounds. Dadgummit. Y'all didn't see all that, I don't think. Probably need to turn this thing where, well, you can see this where I'm throwing this way. Y'all reckon there's some coons out here? Look yonder. They've been eating them old mussels. Alright boys, I done got home, got all the mud washed off of it. It's that little old flathead I was telling you I caught. Ain't much to it, but that's what we call a whole fry right there. All tastes pretty good. And that old, he's got a date with the skillet. Some hot grease. That little old bass I caught on that rope bait. I don't know what that sucker weighs. There we go, boys. It's a little more like it. 2 pounds, 14 ounces. We'll get us a little old fillet out of this one, I imagine. That's some good eating right there. Yes, sir. I don't want to waste none of that. Good eating. Good piece of meat, man. Them size bass, that's good eating. Good eating right there, boy. About to get that skillet hot. That's old-fashioned way to do it. Clean that old tail off. I'm gonna eat that. All right then. Pull that old bone right there. Get a hold of that skin. Got her, boy. Snatch your hide off of it. Get a hold of him, son. Don't get too carried away. That's all they are to her, boys. Whole fry. Sometimes you like to give a few slices. let that grease get down in there. All we're gonna do it a little different, boys. See if we can get this old grill going. That's some leftover charcoal, might as well use it. We got that little old flathead over here. I didn't put nothing in this water. Just water. Boy, them old onions is heating up now, son. Maybe I'll throw it in there and then do it. I'm winging it today, boys. I'm gonna flap them on top of it. We'll see. I ain't even got my spatula. I just got this old knife. We got the old blackening seasoning we made. Throw a little bit of it. That's what we call seasoning the pan. We're gonna throw a little more of that seasoning on there. A liberal dose. All them old cucumbers done got done, boy. About ready to eat one of them. Once that old cast iron gets hot, son, you cook it. Just gotta kick it up, son. It ain't quite got what she needs. That'll do her. I promise you. Hey, we ain't gonna fool no more of that. Let that simmer. Oh, we got that old, that's good and greasy, son. All right, then. Kick a little of that in. Boy, they sizzling now. I think they about done. My mouth's watering over here. I'm about to see what's going on. What do you got? Boy, it looks about right, don't it? Let me see what we got going. Give her a little taste test. I gotta have another one. Boy, my lips are smacking over here. Boys, that's what we call good. Go get you some. Don't sit on your butt. Get her done.